Welcome to Crypto Weekly Analysis for March 28, 2026. For BTC, key levels are support 1 65155, support 2 63794, resistance 1 67877, resistance 2 69238. So entry could be to go short at resistance 1, targeting support 1. For ETH, support 1 at 1965, support 2 at 1914, resistance 1 at 2016, resistance 2 at 2067. Entry could be to go short at resistance 1, targeting support 1. For SOL USD, key levels are support 1 at 81.98, support 2 at 79.7, resistance 1 at 84.26, resistance 2 at 86.54. So plan could be to go short at resistance 1, targeting support 1. For XRP, support 1 at 1.31, support 2 1.28, resistance 1 at 1.35, resistance 2 1.38. So trade plan could be to go short at resistance 1, targeting support 1. Key events Monday, ISM manufacturing PMI, Tuesday, RBA data, Thursday, ISM services PMI, Friday, unemployment rate. Weekly trading plans are so crypto moves all together simultaneously. So weekly trading plan for all the crypto pairs could be to go short at resistance 1 or resistance 2, aiming for support 1 and support 2. That's all for the crypto weekly analysis for this week. See you next week.